Hi everyone, Kristen here. I'm going to talk about the neuromuscular junction and how it works. Here's an image I drew of the spinal cord and skeletal muscle fibers. Within our spinal cord, we have motor neurons that branch out onto specific muscle fibers. Motor neurons are the ones that carry information from our brain or spinal cord to specific muscle fibers. Each individual motor neuron at the distal end has multiple branches that branch off onto different muscle fibers. For the motor neurons to communicate to the muscle fibers, it has a synapse, which is the neuromuscular junction. Here's a closer view of the neuromuscular junction. So at each branch from the motor neuron, we have an enlarged terminal called the synaptic knob, which is this right here. Within the synaptic knob, we have synaptic vesicles, which are these small green little sacs. They contain neurotransmitters. And neurotransmitters are chemical messengers used by our neurons to communicate with other cells. Within the synaptic vesicles, they contain acetylcholine, ACH. Acetylcholine molecules are used by the motor neurons to stimulate skeletal muscle cells at a specific neuromuscular junction. Here, this little gap between the synaptic knob is the synaptic cleft. Across from the synaptic cleft and synaptic knob is the sarcolemma, which is this. The sarcolemma has protein receptors, which are these purple things, purple little dash marks. They are able to recognize and bind to acetylcholine that's released from the synaptic vesicles. So the synaptic vesicles are released and they bind to the acetylcholine receptors. I hope this helps y'all.